This is a global pharma company with manufacturing plants in India as well as in the US. And historically, we were on SAP payroll and SuccessFactors performance management system, which was on cloud. After we implemented Darwinbox, we were looking at the organization structure in the plants in India. And we saw that there were 13 layers in the organization. And there was need to delayer. While we were planning for the exercise and restructuring, along with the group CEO and the operations head, the quality, and few of the other stakeholders, any manager's name or plant manager's name, we wanted to see what is the organization structure and number of people. Just type the name and visually it shows the structure as well as the summary number of direct reports, total number of people in the organization. As a result, the entire planning exercise for restructuring and delayering was completed within a week. And we were able to launch and implement within 45 days without any need for any system integrator organization or going back to the Darwinbox to reconfigure the system. We could do everything internally and in a very simple manner. This helped us reduce and redeploy about 20% of the people in the plant and improve the production volume several times. So that was a very smooth exercise in terms of Darwinbox enabling us in delayering and productivity improvement. So while virtual onboarding and paperless onboarding has become a necessity in the pandemic era, we started using paperless onboarding way back in 2018. Where right from acceptance of the offer to submission of the documents, filling up all the data, ensuring that regulatory compliance and statutory compliance is there in terms of certificates, credentials, in terms of data, everything happened seamlessly without any exchange of paper, all submissions virtually on Darwinbox. And when it came to pandemic, we didn't have to reconfigure anything. In fact, we were absolutely ready. And in multiple countries like US, Middle East, APAC, India, this has been going on absolutely seamlessly and without any paperwork. Everything happens on the platform, any submission, any data capturing and reporting. So from time to time, managers and leaders have a need to know about anyone in their team who has resigned, serving notice, what is the resignation date, what is the release date. Now, while all kinds of HR systems captured these data, in most of the historically use cases, people had dependence on someone in the shared services or someone in HR who is managing the system or is admin. The person had to look at, download, and then send the data to the concerned manager. Now, in Darwinbox, it is the ease of use that anyone who has manager rights can check this data within few seconds. There is no dependence either on the admin or on some backend or on some shared services. Users are empowered and enabled, and it's the ease of use which allows them to use and adopt this.